does it differ from real classroom, teaching students one-on-one in a classroom setup, and now you teach them online?
It's a hard question, because quite frankly, I mean, I can give you the obvious answers.
Mm-hmm.
There's no physical contact.
Mm-hmm.
Beyond that, it doesn't really differ that much. I mean, I have students right now in my colored clay class that I have almost daily communication with. I mean, in the videos that we provide, I explain how to do stuff. When I'm teaching one-to-one, I explain how to do stuff. I'm not perfect, so sometimes my explanations aren't understood. In a one-to-one class, 9 times out of 10, somebody will raise their hand. They'll say, "I'm sorry, I don't understand what you said. Would you please say it again?" In the online class, I never see them raise their hand, but I do see them hit the send button.
Yes.
And I get the same exact question. "I'm sorry, I don't understand what you said. Would you please say that again?" The beauty of having the online class is when I'm in a one-to-one situation, I've got to think of the answer immediately. So if somebody says, "Why do you use Custer feldspar?" I've got to, on my feet, I've got about 3 seconds to determine why I use Custer feldspar. And quite frankly, sometimes I get it right and sometimes I get it wrong. But if Sabina Betts from, I think, Switzerland emails me, she says, "Why do you use Custer feldspar?" I go, "Why do I use Custer feldspar?" And then I go back and I research my own personal history. I research the characteristics of Custer feldspar. I see if there are any other feldspars that are like Custer feldspar that may be better. And I email an answer back that has been researched and studied and practiced. And quite frankly, she's getting a better answer than I would give teaching in a one-on-one class.
Yeah.
I do miss sometimes, the physical contact. But I realize that, I mean, if I'm teaching a student in Switzerland, I can't physically travel the world and meet all these people. I mean, in my class right now, I've got people from every corner of the United States. I've got people from Europe, probably have somebody from Canada. I mean, I've got people from all over the world. For me to physically come in contact with those people, it's going to be virtually impossible. I'll bet $1. And by the way, I never pay my bets, but I'm just saying, it's a figure of speech, but I'll bet $1 that someday I will meet Sabina Betts because
Yes.
I built a relationship with her and I want to meet her. So someday I'll be in Switzerland and I'll go see her. So even the physical contact, even that one-to-one thing will happen eventually because I'm building relationships right now that will turn into friendships in the future.
It's amazing. And I've seen that over these several years, and you are going to win your dollar, because I've had, not just in Canada and in South Africa and in Europe, here in the United States too, I constantly meet the students that's been in my classroom.